We begin with news about the UPA, where compromise has been found over the creation of 700 new administrative units in Jammu and Kashmir, and that this should keep the alliance between the Congress and National Conference intact for now. A cabinet subcommittee will examine the creation of these units and submit its report before the end of the month.
After the disagreement over creation of new administrative units in Jammu and Kashmir, Congress and the National Conference seem to have made up. Sources within the Congress party suggest that a compromise on the issue has been reached. With the intervention of the National Conference Patriarch, Farooq Abdullah, it was decided that the Cabinet subcommittee would submit its report on the new administrative units on January 31st, the deadline set by Chief Minister Umar Abdullah. The Congress's 5-year alliance with the National Conference appeared to be at breakpoint after a meeting between J&K Chief Minister and Congress leaders Ghulam Nabi Azad, Ambika Soni and Saifuddin Soz ended on a bitter note in Delhi. Earlier on Tuesday, National Conference leader Mustafa Kamal had also declared that the party would not forge an alliance with the Congress in the future.
मैंने बार-बार कहा है कि जब कुछ लेते वक्त कांग्रेस तो बड़ी मीठी बोली इस्तेमाल करते हैं और जब चीज़ हासिल करते हैं फिर दांत दिखाना शुरू करते हैं। इनका अपना सिलसिला चलना चाहिए, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस जाए भाड़ में। लेकिन जिस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के तहत इश्तराक के बगैर ये हुकूमत नहीं बना सकते थे, उस वक्त बड़ी मीठी ज़बान थी, बड़ा प्यारा सा चेहरा था।
There have been differences between Congress and National Conference over setting up of administrative units in Jammu and Kashmir. While National Conference wants 700 new units before polls, the Congress in Kashmir is believed to be against setting up of new administrative units. National Conference believes that new units will delegate power to the ground level, a move that the Congress thinks will drain the state coffers. And while Umar Abdullah's party feels that too much power is concentrated in Srinagar, Congress feels that equitable distribution of units across the state would be difficult. For now, a standoff has been averted, but since there are no permanent friends or enemies in politics, only time will tell if the Congress-National Conference alliance will last for long or not. With Shujaul Haq and Ashwini Kumar in Srinagar, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.